Provider ID, whatever it is generated, is workday generated value, sir. Okay.
Yes.
So whenever you create a, for example, quickly we'll get one benefit provider, and then let's say let's call it as let me call it as AMD Bupa. Anyhow, life insurance we need to create. So I have not given any other details, right? When you select
Yeah,
OK, Workday generates a unique reference ID. Okay,
that's right.
right. Now you mentioned we don't have an option to wait and change it.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So what you can do is the same thing we can change here directly here itself, sir. So it is generated by Workday, right? You can
Yeah.
remove this or you can give your own value. Bupa 01. The same will update it as a reference ID again. So you can edit some this way.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So it's yeah. Okay.
Alternate option also there. Let me try that. So whenever you want to update any reference ID, sir, access the task, maintain reference IDs. I will check whether this we have option through with this. Okay, this is the task. And here the business object, search for Ben provider. No, we have identified type is there.
It's the
No
type.
value. Yeah, exactly. So that is the only option for provider at least then. Okay. So since anyhow we are here, plants, then plant should allow, right? Yeah, we have benefit plants reference IDs. All plants we can see on one single screen to update the references. Okay, now it makes sense. These are helpful for it's a kind of lesson learning. Yeah, which one you created, sir? This
That
one?
should be
Brightway investment.
Brightway Investments.
Okay, BRT. Okay. So now you created this plan, and have you assigned this plan to any employee?
No, because when I got to deduction where I was doing the when I created this, I didn't figure that out. I stopped there because I was not sure whether it's going to be
The deduction. Yeah.
the since it's not going to be for external payroll but for internal payroll. We are trying to figure that out
I
also.
will, I will. Will map, yeah, yourself. So for example, I go here, 112023.
Yes.
This is company basis. Okay. Actually, it should come here, sir, if it is in-house earnings and deduction. Okay.
Okay.
Now it is blank now, correct? It is blank. Now let me show you how to default the deduction. So you created the benefit plan. Now the integration team, what they will do is, if they're using ADP payroll process, okay, okay, let me explain. So two things I will explain. Remember, it's a blank at this moment.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what we will do here is two options, sir. Let me put in document. First option is if the payroll process is externally happening. Okay, the payroll process with vendor like ADP, Paycheck, BSI, NGA. Okay, these are payroll processes, right? So you have benefits and employee data in Workday, but payroll is happening with the vendor. In between, integration has to pick up the deductions amount and put the data into the ADP. For that, what we will do is, we in the sense the integration team, they will access a task called maintain external payroll deductions. Maintain external payroll deductions. Here we have to set one of our pay group. Something available for US. Ta, 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 ta. Now here, how it works is, this acts as a bridge between our benefits and the ADP. Add the row. You can give the name here, BRT 41. Okay. Code has to be provided by the payroll vendor. Integration team will get and they will update. Let me give BRT 401. 401. So yeah, it's the same. US pay group. If hopefully exist. Pay group we will learn during our payroll session, sir. Don't worry about this. This is the very, very important.
Yeah.
Position based, when you set position based is sometimes the worker based, position based. What happened here is sometimes worker may hold two positions, correct? Two positions. For example, myself, I'm Kiran. I'm holding two positions. I hide into two positions. One is IT manager, another one is architect, IT architect. So 50% I'm working as a manager, 50% I'm working as an architect. So here when you select position, you need to specify in the integration, then for which position this direction should be mapped, IT manager or architect. Okay, integration team will get flexibility. Let's say I'm working on only one position, primary position. So remove this value directly at worker. It will pick up directly at worker, which means it will look into the primary position. Payroll input type, again, in payroll we will learn. Basic mapping we will do. So benefits are pre-tax or post-taxes. According to that, select one of the applicable taxes here. Pre-tax. Okay, here you need to map your benefit plan, sir. BIRT, brighter.
No, just BRT. BR.
Sorry, can you spell B?
BRT.
BRT. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, that's it. Now all time and absence. Save this. Now you can go to your plan automatically. This deduction, what we created, here, BRT. We created the name BRT 41K, right, sir?
Yeah.
The same thing. Now go to your deduction. Edit this deduction. Select the effective date. Okay. Scroll down. You see here, it has been mapped. Okay. Automatically it will be mapped, sir. Two options. Option one, map there, or we can assign the deduction here from the drop down. This is one. Second one, when it is option one scenario. Like if the payroll is processing with the vendor. Okay. Now I'm removing this. Okay. I'm removing this value. I'm saving this. Now I'm going to edit it. It is blank now, correct? It is blank.
Yeah.
Now let me show you in-house one. Option two, in-house, which means payroll also we are processing within Workday. Option two, payroll also If the payroll process in-house, if the payroll is in-house payroll or processing within Workday, how it works. Let's see this. Go to here, we maintain external, right? Now here, create deduction. Within Workday, we're creating this. Name it as BRT
Reality.
41K
Okay.
in-house. In-house. Internal ones. So BRT 401K. Country will restrict to USA. We will discuss in detail our compensation. So
The 401k Euro F. Okay, the code doesn't matter. Correct it. Okay.
code doesn't
401.
matter definitely, but I will give 401K. Sorry
Okay.
for the correction. Okay. Then active date 1/1/2023. Regular. So we'll discuss this in our payroll, don't worry. Since the basic configuration I need to do, hence I'm doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Benefit plan exist. Greater than equal to 0. Here, when 401K is percentage multiplied by base pay multiplied by percentage. Unprorated base pay unprorated percent. Okay, now here go to non-effective dated. Give it as pre-tax benefit plan. Then give your benefit plans here. BRT. Right, sir. Now here you are mapping that, right, sir? Automatically here it will map. I'm not saved it, okay? At this moment, I'm still selecting. Now I will edit and show you. Scroll down, still blank, okay? The reason is I have not saved the record yet. Now see, I'm selecting, okay? Go here and just refresh. It's blank still. Refresh it. Refresh in sense, just select these three dots, sir. It will take you back. Select OK. Now scroll down. In-house one has been mapped.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, two ways, sir. Externally, you can do that, or we can do this way, in-house.
Create an in-house deduction. Okay.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, have you assigned your benefit plan to any employee, sir?
No.
Do you want to try that to test?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Last time we ran into error. I hope this will work. If not, don't worry. Still, we'll fix it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now you have created the plan. Rest of the configuration you have done, sir. Event, enrollment event rule, plan year definition, all has been done.
No, I've not done. Okay, I have to do all of those. I didn't do that. I just
No
jumped
worries.
on.
Shall I do on behalf of you? Is that fine?
Yeah.
Maybe we can pick up this as the topic for now. No, you have done
Okay.
most of the work already. Amazing work. I'm gonna select BRT. BRT. Uh-oh, what happened? Create benefit event. Type BRT 41K. Okay, we'll do this. And offerings are retirement savings. BRT 41K, the one you created. We will override the name. Effective date. Restricted country to USA. Okay, days to enrollment will give 10 days on event. Event is ready. We'll map this event next step with enrollment event rules.
Yeah.
Edit enrollment event rules. Event type PRT, 401k, coverage type BRT, rest remains same. Title will go coverage rules. Here is the interesting thing. We need to select the right one. Yeah. So add row BRT, add row BRT, coverage type, allow benefit plan changes, can select any plan. So there are some scenarios, current plan only. We will talk about it, especially in life insurance and healthcare. Yeah, okay. So here, default to current elections are waive or default to current elections are waive. Let's select this one, first option. Save this. Now the last step, edit benefit plan year definition. Now retirement savings, BRT. Okay. So we are good to proceed, sir. But before that, quickly I'll check the plan once. Participating benefit group is that all employees in US and active status is true. Full-time employees is correct. Now we'll test this plan. Full-time employee. Leave request of the benefit effect should be no. And then total scheduled weekly hours for multiple jobs greater than equal to 30. Okay. So when we go here, quickly.
Okay.
Our favorite testing employee. Yeah. So first, as per the eligibility you created, he's 100% full-time employee. How many? I can see full-time means full 40 hours only. It's okay. Now let's test for this, guys. Repeat actions. What happened, Mr. Jekyll? Not slowly. 1 moment.
The tenant is so slow.
Tenant, not sure, not exactly so, but let me refresh. Okay, benefits, change benefits.
Yeah.
It will bring empty or not empty top, right? Okay, effective date 22. Okay, no worries, sir. If this fixed, then automatically the other plan also fixed. I think the issue is with plan year benefit group, I believe. One moment, allow me. I will do one thing. So edit your benefit plan year definition. Sorry.
Okay.
Plan BRT 1 to 23. So what I do here is I will remove this benefit group. I will select the workday delivered one. Okay.
Okay.
So what you've done is correct, but I will take an exclusive session on this to discuss in detail. For now, we'll select the workday one. delivered one. Active employees in US plus salary. Yes, sir. Plus additionally, anyhow you gave this criteria, we'll continue with this one. Yeah. Okay. Then go to the same guy. I will check the eligibility first. Benefits. View benefits eligibility. You can see here, he is eligible for your plan.
Okay.
It's a short attempt, sir. With this run, you can
Be able
find
to see
the guy.
immediately. Okay. To find.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Now he is eligible. Now let's assign this plan to this worker. Benefits. Change benefits. BRT 401k. Now we should come.
Yeah.
Yeah. He got.
Oh.
So the issue is with the
So it's with the group.
group, benefit group, sir. So we need to
Okay.
replica. Exactly. I will take one session on that. No worries. Okay.
Okay.
I will submit and we'll proceed and see the percentage everything is defaulting or not. If it is not allowing, again we need to troubleshoot. I'm submitting. Of course, the BP process is something different here.
Yeah.
Open. Let's get start. Manage. Okay. Now see here. Your contribution is monthly 0 and company contribution monthly is 5%. So why it is not directly default? Because could be you might have selected auto enroll. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Auto
Okay.
enroll. That's why it won't allow you, sir. Whenever you select auto enroll, remember, it doesn't allow you to waive nor select.
Okay.
Be very
Okay.
careful. Huh?
Okay.
And you gave contribution only for employer, it seems. Employees should be blank. Yeah, it is blank. Employer minimum is 0 you have given. Since you selected, okay. So I understood. Since you selected 0 and it is auto enrolled, so it doesn't allow you to now to enter. You
Yeah.
might have given 5% here. Yeah, this has been defaulted for the worker.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
I have to edit the plan and remove auto enrollment.
I'm coming to that point, sir. Once you select auto enroll and you assign to an employee, Workday doesn't allow you to remove the checkbox.
Whoosh.
So good that you brought. So I anyhow I'm not submitted. So remember we have to remember 2 points, sir. Point
Okay.
one,
You
once you
can
create the
edit
benefit
it.
plan,
Mm-hmm.
coverage type cannot be changed. You cannot change the coverage type.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So you can delete the plan and create a brand new plan with required coverage type. Coverage type cannot be changed. And auto enroll still you are able to change. The reason is I have not submitted here. I just testing. If I submit and assign to an employee, then auto enrollment won't be available for you to switch.
Okay.
Okay, please be very on this. Now let me save this. I will cancel this process and then again we'll reinitiate. So already event I have initiated and then update the change. Still it behaves the same. So what you can do is cancel the process, entire process. Submit. Okay. So again we'll assign this plan. Print benefits. Now it should allow you to give the employee contribution. It will allow you now. Select,
Okay.
right? Confirm and continue in the next page. It will ask you the percentage.
Percentage you want to contribute.
Yes, sir. Company is already contributing 5%. What is the employee's contribution? Let's say 5%. Okay, and beneficiary, if you made beneficiary mandatory on coverage type, let's check that as well.
I
You
said
give beneficiary
it's
mandatory, correct?
required. Yeah.
Yeah. Now I try to submit okay, it should give error message. These are all testing points. Error
Okay.
will
Because it has not
come.
been selected primary beneficiary. Bad.
We have to give the beneficiary. It's a trust or a dependent. 100%. And also if you give 45% and all, still it will should throw error. Yeah. Because
Yeah.
the percentage you have to mention 100
It's
or
100%.
yes,
Or
or
secondary
two people.
beneficiary. We split it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Split it. Exactly. Very good. You created the plan. Excellent, sir. It's working. Mhm. So, any questions on this, sir? Before I'm going to show one. Okay, let's say it worker level. I forgot. Sorry. We haven't signed in. Submit. Done.
The worker did not sign.
Worker did not sign the electronic signature, but it allowed. It has been allowed. Ah, good. It's still not then. It's, okay. It should have gone to this guy. So in one session, we'll fix this BP. We'll bring this BP into the proper process.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm. It is in progress. Correct. It is waiting with whom? This step.
Okay. Because of the
Yeah,
Cobra.
because of this step, it's annoying actually. But still, we put the condition this should not trigger. Let me check. Start proxy. Okay. I, should not trigger. Let me put the condition for this, sir. We need to retest. Okay. We'll retest
Okay.
it. So we're declaring all. We're going to 0 again.
Okay.
So now Cobra step should not be triggered. That is one criteria for us. And also I would like to show you another interesting one for you. What happened? 4 errors. How?
It's not submitting.
Yeah. Okay. Decline. I'm sorry, should be deny. Deny. So let's take two scenarios, sir. The scenarios are this is denied right. It has been removed from Mr. Jake. Worker history is denied. Resigned it. Still in progress. Let me cancel directly here. Let me see the definition. So we'll discuss two scenarios. Scenario one, this Cobra plan should not be triggered, sir. Okay. So I'm going to restrict that on this BP. Second scenario is we'll talk about a new topic along with this called cross-plan dependencies. Okay. Cross-plan dependency, which means during overview we discussed assign only one plan, assign one plan plus another plan, or assign either of the plan, like that. Cross-plan dependencies. So before that, let's fix this issue. Cobra plan is triggering. It should not be triggered. So here we create one condition in initial days. I'm going to edit this condition. Additional benefit plan and in the selection list. Similarly, you created the plan, right, sir? What is the plan? BRT.
BRT.
It should be R. So BRT. Retirement.
No.
Yeah, no, sir. Yeah, actually, we need to say the
Uh-huh.
publish type here.
Yeah. I think that's
Retirement saving coverage type level. Retirement savings waived. Which one we selected? Elected. Retirement savings elected.
that's it. Yeah.
Should not none in the selection list. BRT. BR. Okay. Right. Selection. Okay, it's bringing all the employees data. No worries. Retirement saving.
No, I think that should be the one. The other one was showing election.
Yeah, now it works. It works.
Yeah.
Okay, this one should not be triggered. Now I'm gonna. You remember we get one more additional benefit plan, and we not able to figure it out the issue, right?
Yeah.
You created one. Now let's
The
fix that as well.
US gym.
Okay?
Yeah.
We'll fix that also. So what I need to do? Edit benefit plan. Additional benefit plan. It's not this one. This one. Can you help me, sir? Is it same name you gave or
Yeah. Gym. Oh, where's that one
gym?
again?
Yeah, correct. It's a gym. Wall gym. This
The
is
one down. Yeah, US gym. The
US
following
gym.
second one here.
Yeah. Okay. Same issues are here. I'm changing this, and I'll put this one to
Yeah,
salary.
salary too.
And also I will change this time. I'll select time type equal to full time. The same logic because I'm gonna run full time employee eligible full time. Okay. Now okay. Oh, here also we need to change.
On the eligibility, yeah.
Yes, sir. Correct. We need to switch it. Okay. Right. Sir, now, this I should remove.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, now take two things. You created two plans, okay? You created two plans. One is 41K, BRT 41K. Another one is,
US gym.
yeah, gym one. What we're going to do is, these two plans will assign at one go. Once we'll assign these two plans to an employee. While assigning the plan, we'll also work parallelly on the cross-plan dependency, which means if employee selected 41K, it is mandatory the employee need to select gym membership also. Okay?
Okay.
Employee selected for that is one scenario. Second scenario is employee can select only one plan. Like that we will test. You got my point, sir?
Yes.
Right. Very good. So cross-plan dependency, two scenarios. One is if employee elect BRT 41K, it's mandatory employee must elect gym membership. Or else you should give error. Okay. Second scenario will test if employee elect 41K, I mean employee can elect either only 41K or gym, but not both. Okay, sir. We'll try this
Okay.
scenario. And third one also, what is that? What is the benefit plan? The Cobra should not be triggered. Okay. And also your plan, gym also should not be, Cobra should not be triggered for the employee. Right. So let's test this, all these together. For this, I need to do some configuration changes. So is it fine if I can take 5 more minutes extra for you? Sorry for
Yes.
ad hoc basis report. Yeah. Now what I do is I'm going to edit your benefit coverage type. Oh, sorry, not coverage type. Edit benefit event. BRT. I'll change this to BRT 41K and BRT gym. Excuse me. And select the coverage type also. So what happened is, with one coverage type, you are assigning both the plans, sir.
Okay.
Now, samely, we need to update enrollment event rules. Quickly, I will do that. Enrollment event rules. Add the event. BRT. Oh, no. It's already there here. It will
We
be
have it there before.
Yeah.
So just add it.
Right, sir. Only mapping we need to GRT
Yeah,
map.
that's it.
And okay, here add one more row because we are allowing two. Okay, there are standalone
Oh,
two are there. So Jimmy is separate,
it
41
has, yeah, it has come automatically.
correct. At the same time, we are getting one more event for both also. Yeah.
Yeah.
Select here. Okay, where's that? BRT is there. 41K.
No, the
Oh,
401 is there already.
yeah. Sorry.
So
Gym.
that would be gym,
Same,
USG. Yeah.
right. Same logic. And simply we'll go here. Uh,
Then do we need to, or we can still maintain this thing there? Because under the startup web coverage, you now have two BRC this thing there. If you go down,
mhm.
scroll down.
Yeah.
Okay. See, the gym membership is still there, and the one for this
Yeah.
open, it's not going to conflict, right?
No, sir.
Okay.
No. It
Okay.
can, you can, what happen is you have a separate event which you can trigger only gym. You have combination of event, you can trigger 401k BRT, both. It's
Okay.
not conflict. Yeah.
Okay.
So go to your coverage type, coverage rules, search for BRT, could be down. Yeah.
Is
Again,
there?
yes. So
We just add.
add this. Ta, ta, ta. Second row. Under one coverage step, two rows we are adding. So two plans we can select. Gym and select any plan. What did the default conduction for ideal coverage? Okay. Now this is the basic setup we have done, sir. Plan year definition, anyhow, we mapped both. So we no need to do any change over there because here you already mapped your additional one. Here you mapped the retirement. Okay. So no
Yeah.
changes. Let it be the
Okay.
same. Now this is the interesting one. Condition we created. Now let's
Okay.
create this rule. Okay. This rule. If employee selecting 401k, it is mandatory employee has to select gym also. Okay. Now for that, create cross plan dependency. Create class plan, cross plan, enrollment prerequisite. Select the date 1/1/2023 effective from. Give the name BRT. If employees select 401k, mandatory to elect gym membership. Okay. Description you can give it here. Okay.
Yeah, you can copy it.
As per the policy, it is mandatory employee have to.
They like both plans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, approved for both plans. Something like this. You would like to restrict this benefit group? Optional. You can add the benefit group salary if you would like to. Now here is the interesting fact. First, if employees at 401k, then second plan is mandatory. Correct. So 401k is retirement savings. Select this one.
That's it. Yeah.
The formula. And G membership. Additional.
Additional.
Yes, sir. Here, gym. Okay. So menu like what more?
US, it's called US gym membership.
Oh, okay. It will be down then. Yeah, this one, right?
Just correct.
Okay. Now here is the rules, sir, for you. Okay, rules. Now, may elect one or more secondary plan, which means you are selecting this one, and here secondary plans, I will select two types of plans. Or let's say random second. So it's mandatory, this plan mandatory, and these two also mandatory has to select. Okay, mandatory. Must select one or more secondary plans. Must select at least one secondary plan. One secondary plan, which means if employee has chosen this one plan only, not two plans. Okay, let me repeat again. May select one or more secondary plan, which means if employee selected this plan, employee also have to enroll into both the plans. Okay, two plans has to enroll, mandatory. If you select this option, must select at least one secondary plan, which means employee can select this plan. Employee has to choose additionally either of the plan again, one either this plan or this plan, not both. Okay, only one primary or secondary plan, either of the plan. or either this plan or this plan. But let me show the practically. This is our requirement. If employee selecting this plan is mandatory. For that, I will select may elect one or more secondary plan. Okay. These two are ignored at this moment because during healthcare we will discuss. Any questions around this page?
No, it's fine.
Fine. So quickly, we'll do the test. Now we'll go to our favorite employee, Mr. Jake Lee. We'll go to actions. Now Cobra also should not be triggered. Benefits. Change benefits. Change reason.
Down BRT 401k and gym.
Yeah.
That's
Both should be available here to select. Both are available.
okay.
Submit. Why? Oh. So this is very good. One more good thing. If the employee has already any business process, any benefit process in progress, right? That must be complete.
Yeah.
Others will get error. We'll
Yeah.
fix that. It's simple. We need to cancel. That's it. Mr. Checkley. Hmm. Uh,
Yeah. The one that we launched earlier.
just now we launched. Okay. Oh, I overridden the name. Got it. This is review. All are cancelled. I'm trying now. Change benefits. Submit. Open, sir. Let's get started. 4-1 can gym membership. Select enroll. 4-1 I'm selecting. I have elected. Confirm and continue. Employee contribution also I'm giving 5%. Beneficiary I'm giving 100%. Save it. Now, remember, sir, I'm not selecting this plan, okay? I'm not selecting. I selected only one plan. I will try to submit. Let's see what happens. Review and sign in. Where is electronic signature? It's not there only. So no one has mapped it. No worries, we'll do. I'm trying to submit, okay? Okay, it is done. Actually, it's not supposed to be still in progress, right? We'll go to this. Oh God, it just triggered or what? Still in progress. 5%. How come it allowed? It should not allow actually. 1 moment. We have to fix the BP first though. I think other BP has been triggered. Okay.